Donating blood today?
Donating? I thought we were getting paid.
Lois, lock the door.
Why?
It's that lady who comes in, tries to sample, and then whispers about how bad she is. Hey!
Oh my God, you have chocolate macadamia nut. Oh, can I just try a little sample? Oh, I'm so bad.
Sure. You gonna buy a cookie this time?
Oh, I better just stick with the sample.
How would I say sexy?
So
I
that
know
makes
say I flow at them about them quad play and them triple play promotion. So I hope they're easy when I
Mom,
hope
what are you
they.
going to do with the shop? Well, I talked to the bank and they agreed to take it back.
Forever, babes.
Use the bathroom.
Alright.
You got it, babe.
Did you call me, babe?
I did.
What's that girl? Ew, Mom.
You'll never have this, babe.
Yo, what you say now?
You know, see me a message you. Remember when you say if I need a place to stay, I can call you? No, it's that time.
You can't talk right now.
Oh, you mean you can't talk about this now? But they're outside.
What?
Yeah, babe?
Oh, yeah. Sure is a good...
Not you, not you. Yo, so come.
Hey, Chris, where's your father?
Still trying to get that rope.
Yes, man, that's what I'm
He's gotta give up that obsession.
Yo, football around. Yeah.
Peter, enough of the...
Taj!
No, Peter, it's too close to dinner time.
Yo, where you go?
Scream anyway.
See you next time.
Don't you dare.
All right, but I'll be back in a moment. There's another movie.
Yo, where are you, my girl?
When you need me, you say if I need a place to stay, I can call you. I call you.
Yo, that I mean now.
When then come I need a place to stay now.
What you mean?
Taj, who that?
Are the Jehovah's Witness people and baby, may I come? Yo,
So who that?
mother, my girl, the family do over. That's what I try to tell you. Say, you can't stay.
I call you.
Yo, you have
place to
credit?
stay.
You have credit?
Yes.
Give me a call. I'll call him and Virginia because you can't stay here so today. Yo, brown man.
Talk to me now, dog.
Yeah, dog, I'm in some trouble, man, yo.
You're not trouble.
Man, yo, when you keep one girl for my mind for a couple days, man, yo.
Oh, man. Like me, I gotta say no. You could have really asked me that, Virgin.
Forward.
Yeah, man, me a forward, man. Less than 1 minute, man. Me a...
Yo, man, I'm forward, you know. I gotta stay over the thing first for you, yeah. Yeah.
One bag of gold medal pan me now. Champion boy, you know the damn thing.
Brother, what go on? Friend, how?
Yeah.
So I'm just
Talk to
gonna
me.
keep her for a couple of days, isn't it? And you can pick her up.
No say a word, man. I take good care of her, brother. Alright,
Alright,
man. You take them bag from me.
Yo.
Come on, eh?
Just deal with it, isn't it?
But I'm a singing anthem.
Alright, bro.
Man, man, shall I the goddamn.
Don't worry, Lois. I swear, I'll be sensitive and gentle. Like the Tasmanian devil back in his kids.
Sorry, bro.
Bruh, where you get that girl from my youth? Me say, Bridget, the girl just a name me out of house and home, dog. Me can't manage it, Bridget.
Which girl that?
Now the girl that just give me on the step a while ago, my youth.
Taj! Don't worry, man. I have something for you.